Hey guys, welcome back to channel. Today we will dive computer networking, reviewing key concepts, architectures, protocols and security consideration that are initial for an IT professional. What is a computer network? A computer network connects devices to share resources and data efficiently. It's the backbone of all modern IT systems, whether through Ethernet cables or Wi-Fi. Interconnected systems that shares resources and information called network. It can be wired or wireless. It enables communication and data exchange. Types of network. Different network types serve different scopes. LAN covers small area like office. WANs connect large area or large geographical areas, and the PAN are used for personal devices like phones and smartwatches. LAN stands for local area network, WAN for wide area network, MAN for metropolitan area network, PAN for personal area network. Network topology. Topology determines how nodes are arranged and communicate. Star is widely used due to its simplicity and fault tolerance. Mesh offers redundancy but at a higher cost. Bus topology. All devices share a single communication line or connected with a single communication line. Star topology. All devices connect to a central hub or switch. Ring topology. Devices are connected in a circular loop. Mesh topology. Every device connects directly to every other device. That's why the mesh offers redundancy but at a higher cost. Hybrid topology. A combination of two or more different topology called hybrid topology in network topology. Networking devices. Each device play a role in the network. Routers connects different networks, switch manage local traffic, and firewall provides protection for threats. Routers connects multiple networks and directs data between them. Switch connects device in a LAN and forward data based on MAC addresses. Hub broadcast data to all devices in a network regardless of destination or without knowing the destination. Modem converts digital data to analog signals and vice versa, like digital data to analog or analog to digital for internet access. Access point extends a wired network wirelessly called access point. Firewall. Firewall is the network security tool or network security device. It is monitor and controls incoming and outgoing traffic for security. Network protocol. Protocols define rules for communication. TCP/IP is the backbone of internet communication. HTTP handles web traffic, while DNS resolves domain name to IPs. TCP/IP is the core protocol suite for communication over the internet. HTTP or HTTPS protocols for accessing web pages. HTTP hypertext transfer protocol or HTTPS is secure. DNS translates domain names into IP addresses. Transmission Control Protocol TCP, Internet Protocol IP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure, HTTPS, Domain Name System is DNS. FTP, File Transfer Protocol, Secure File Transfer Protocol SFTP, protocols for transferring files between systems. SFTP is secure. SFTP is secure. DHCP, automatically assigning IP address to devices on a network. IP addressing and subnetting. Understanding IP addressing and subnetting is crucial for designing scalable networks. IPv4 is still dominant, but IPv4 is still dominant, but IPv6 adoption is growing. IPv4 is 32-bit addressing system used to identify devices on a network. IPv6 128-bit addressing system designing to replace IPv4 with a larger address space. Subnet mask defines the network and host portions of an IP address. CIDR notation, a concept representation of an IP address. It is the compact representation of an IP address and its subnet mask. The example like 192.168.1.0/24 is the local representation, basically IP address. Compact IP address is the local representation. Private IP used within internal networks, not routable on the internet, called private IPs. Public IP, globally unique address used to identify devices on the internet. Public IP is the global IP or globally unique address used to identify device on the internet, and the private IP is used within the network or within internal networks, not routable on the internet. Or this is not a global IP, this is the private IP within the network. Thank you.